Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineer, civil engineer and electrical engineer. The name of the company is GR Infra Project Limited. So they have given the mail ID here and two mail IDs are available. You can send your resume to these mail IDs and you can also call to this number for clarifying all your doubts and inquiries. So this is the regarding the company they have given here. So it's an integrated road EPC company and they have made the projects in almost 14 states and few things they have said about the company. You just have a glance of it. When you scroll down, you can see major clients here. These are the major clients. When you further scroll down, you can see an option called passion, that is explore career. Okay, it will be coming under career. You have to click on explore career. So you can see various job opportunities available. The first one will be senior engineer and they have posted on 22nd November. So once you click on senior engineer, you will be going here and career opportunity for senior engineer. It's a design department. If you are willing to apply means you can click on the apply button and let us see the role and purpose and all. So you mainly what you have to check is you have to ensure the smooth execution of the allotted aspect of the design assignment and ensure the best quality of the products and also have to resolve if there is any issues. The other key responsibilities are you have to work as per the allotted design activity and you have to review the design criterion and you have to ensure the design deliverables are on time and you have to approve the grill seniors of the design assignment progress, and these are the things which you have to carry out. Have a glance of it. And importantly is who can apply for this is, so if you have diploma in civil or mechanical or electrical with 2 or 3 years experience in design, you can apply. If you have BE or BTech with the relevant department and 1 to 2 years experience in design means you can apply. If you have MTech with above departments with a minimum of 1 year experience, you can apply. So freshers can apply for this job, only experienced candidates can apply. So once you willing to apply means you click on the icon apply. So once you go back, you can see another job called assistant manager. So it's also based on design. The same things whatever we said we seen previously, almost the same things are coming here. So just have a glance of it. And who can apply same whatever experience which they asked in the previous job, the same experience like diploma or BE, BTech or MTech with the relevant experience can apply. So if you are willing to apply means you click on the icon apply for applying the job. And once you click the apply means they will be asking the mail ID and password. So if you're first time registering means you have to sign up or create a new account by giving your basic details like your name, first name, last name, mail ID, etc. And after creating it you can apply for this job. If you feel this video is useful means kindly share the video with civil, electrical and mechanical graduates. It will be helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.